Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out a ton of brand new lip glosses from Tarte. This is the Rainforest of the Sea collection, and I'm so excited to actually try these for the first time and see what they look like on. They are so cute. The packaging is adorable, so hopefully they look as adorable on. And in lieu of the theme for Tarte today, I'm actually wearing a ton of Tarte products. My foundation is the Shape Tape by Tarte. My concealer is also the Shape Tape by Tarte, and I created this eyeshadow look using the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. I'll be sure to link all of these products below in the description for you. So first up is Sandbar, out of the H20 collection. This one has little palm trees on the lid. So cute. So it's a very natural, I feel like this is one of the most natural out of the set. It's so cute. It's like a nice little peach nude color. Okay, so next up is super cute because as you can see, it looks like it has little water. Let's see if you can see this. That's actually on the lid. It looks like liquid, like you just left the beach. It's so cute. So this one is called Tahiti. So this is Tahiti, and this is a really cute, it's like a purpley cranberry look. It's so cute. So if you were on vacation or spring break, this would be perfect to throw on for the night. It's very cute. It just catches attention with the high gloss. I feel so fancy. One thing I do want to say is that of the two, I've already noticed that these feel very hydrating and they don't have an odd smell to them or taste. So I love that about a lip gloss. I really appreciate a lip gloss that doesn't have any weird taste to it or weird smell. So good job on that, Tarte. And we'll move on to number 3. Look at this color. This is called Tiki Bar and it has cute little flamingos on here. It's so cute. This color is amazing. I cannot wait to try this on. Wow, this is so pretty. Are you serious? This is so amazing. This might quickly become one of my favorite lip glosses. Wow. So Tiki Bar. This is definitely a lip gloss that's gonna catch some attention at a Tiki Bar. Ooh. Number 4 is Largo, which is a really fun, translucent, like purpley blue. That's gonna be interesting to see how this goes on. I am gonna be honest, when I first got this kit in the mail, I thought that maybe the liquid had somehow escaped the gloss, and I didn't realize that that was part of the cute packaging. So some of these have this cute little liquid. It's just the most creative packaging. I just love it. It's so cute. Largo. Oh my gosh, it really is like blue. Okay, so for me, Look at this color. I'm not quite sure how often I would wear this one, but this is very like futuristic. I feel like Xenon girl of the 21st century with this color on. It's a really cute pink. It's really cute. But in real life, it has this, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it goes from like a pink to a blue. So it kind of looks like the ocean. It literally looks just like this on my lips. It's very interesting though. I think it would get a lot of attention because I don't think you normally think of your lip gloss being blue. So it's kind of cool. Literally. Next up is Islamorado, which is a nice cranberry purpley color. This one has little pineapples on the cover. Wow, that's so cute. Just so you know, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased these on my own and I'm actually really impressed that every single one has been really cute and I love the feel of them. Each one just goes on so nicely. And for a lip gloss, they're very pigmented. This would be the best summer or spring lip gloss. It's like this nice bright pink. Ooh, that is so cute. Next up is room service. And this is a really pretty mauve. It's so cute. Again, it has the cute little water on the lid. I think this is gonna be one of my favorite already. Okay, this is super adorable. I love this. This is room service and it's a nice natural mauve color. I think you can pull this off with so many looks. It's adorable, feels good, looks great. You know what I also love about these so far is how easily they have come off. I'm not scrubbing my face to get these off, but I do feel like they're the perfect consistency that will stay on for a great amount of time where you don't have to apply them very often, but they're very easy to remove. Next up is Maldives, which is a nice rose gold. Super cute. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay, funny story. If you caught me in like 1999 or 2000, I probably would have worn this color because I didn't realize back then that it doesn't look good on my skin tone. So this is a very metallic rose gold color. Not that it's horrible, it's nice, but I feel like I need a base under this to kind of give it a different color. Otherwise, my lips are washed out completely and it just looks like metallic skin. Okay, so next up is this adorable pink and its name is Out of the Office. Super cute. I'm so excited to try this one. This is definitely vacation mode, so this is perfect for a special occasion, date night, going out, vacation. It's just that perfect wild pink, super adorable. It's like electric. And last but not least is Fiji, which is this adorable soft rose pink with pineapples on the lid. I love it. I think it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Are you serious? So I am super impressed by all of these. This again is not a sponsored video. I purchased these on my own. I was super curious how I would like Tarte lip glosses. I've actually never tried them before. So I can definitely say that those felt high quality, no odd odor, they didn't feel tacky and weird. They just were that perfect lip gloss that gives you the perfect amount of pigmentation. And I loved all of them. The only one that I was kind of like, it might look better if it's over another color is this one right here, which was the Maldives. I think that's the only one that I personally would have to put something on top of, but again, that's just my skin tone. So I think anyone with like a more olive skin tone could definitely pull that off. It was still beautiful and still looked great for a metallic lip gloss. You are gonna see a lot of these in my tutorials because I can definitely create a million bajillion different looks with all of these different lip glosses. They are just adorable. I am so happy that I found this set. Oh. Let me know if you've tried this or if you got this kit. I would love to know which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribing to my channel. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you do see when new videos are released on my channel. Again, thank you so much for your support and have a beautiful day. Take care.